Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to tell you about the Spandex Web App. This is a small application that you can install onto your computer to make it quicker and easier to access our website. The application will install a little icon which sits on your desktop and gives direct access to all the products and features of our website, without having to open your browser and search. You'll be offered the opportunity to install this via a pop-up on the home screen when you visit our site. Simply click on Add to Home Screen and confirm by selecting Install on the notification that appears at the top of the screen. You'll see a little pop-up confirmation, then a new window will open for the app. Sign in as normal, if you weren't already, and you're free to browse the app. The web app has all the same great functionality that you are used to, such as your favorites, order history, and media profiles for printing. So, next time you want to log in, simply go to your desktop and click on the Spandex icon and you're off.